Your attention isn't broken, it's being hijacked by endless novelty. That's the porn trap. Instant arousal trains your brain to expect fireworks, so life feels flat. This isn't moralizing, it's mechanics you can change without white-knuckling. Dopamine drives pursuit, not pleasure. High novelty spikes it, tolerance rises, baseline drops, and tasks feel dull. The loop: cue, craving, click, relief. Relief trains the loop. Design beats discipline. Add friction to the wrong, remove it from the right. 14-day opt-out plan. Tonight, 5-minute setup. Charger out of bedroom, grayscale after 10 p.m., mute keywords, unfollow triggers, safe search on, night blockers scheduled. Days 1 through 3, delay and disrupt. When an urge hits, stand, label it, cold water or 10 slow exhales. 2-minute timer, open tomorrow's one big task and write first step. Count each as a redirect rep. Skill over perfect days. Days 4 through 7, replace the loop. A boring on purpose night routine. 10-minute walk, no audio, shower, tea or water, 5 to 10 pages, consistent lights out. Bedroom, phone far, warm light, cool room. If an urge intrudes, use LBR2. Label, breathe, redirect, and do a 22-minute low-friction sprint. Days 8 through 14, rebuild focus. One daily deep work block, 22 to 45 minutes, one tab, phone away, paper progress bar, and a morning reset. Sunlight, water, 5 minutes of movement. Map triggers and pre-choose replacements. Tighten with a quit list, 5 novelty triggers dropped for 2 weeks, and a do list, 5 builders. Walking, reading, cooking, quick call, push-ups. Each night rate a focus score 0 to 10 and note what nudges it up by 1. If you slip, reset fast with a redirect rep. Shrink the gap between slip and reset. Expect a flat line as you recalibrate. Healthy intimacy not equal high novelty feeds. If compulsion persists, get professional support. Start tonight. Move the charger, enable grayscale and blockers, walk 10 minutes, shower, read 5 pages, lights out. Tomorrow, sunlight, water, 5 minutes of movement, 1 deep work block. Opt out of the noise, opt into your life.